Welcome to this practical, hands-on course on using AI in real business settings. No tech background needed, just curiosity and a willingness to try. AI is already revolutionizing business operations. The real question is whether you know how to use it. Understanding what AI can do will change how you think about your business entirely. This is a practical, hands-on course on applying AI in real business settings. No tech expertise required, just curiosity and a willingness to try. You will confidently identify AI tools, create a plan, and present it effectively. You'll study two key topics: customer experience and business operations. For customer experience, focus on enhancing customer interactions and satisfaction using artificial intelligence. For business operations, analyze internal processes to identify inefficiencies and implement artificial intelligence solutions for smoother operations. Learning customer experience and business operations together provides a comprehensive view of artificial intelligence's role. It enhances customer service externally and streamlines operations internally. This dual approach ensures a seamless transition of skills, offering a holistic understanding of modern business efficiency. You'll learn to spot artificial intelligence opportunities in business, understand tools like chatbots and natural language processing, and read business data for insights. Additionally, you'll grasp artificial intelligence's limitations and ethical considerations, ensuring responsible use. You will confidently review business performance using data and feedback, research AI tools, create a cost-effective implementation plan, and present your recommendations to decision makers, refining them based on that feedback. Engage in hands-on learning from day one. You'll analyze business and customer data, create a costed artificial intelligence plan, and develop an actionable strategy. Craft professional emails and a compelling proposal, culminating in a confident presentation of your recommendations. Stay engaged, complete every activity, and practice with real AI tools. Visit RTOAiAcademy for AI-powered resources and support built specifically for educators and training professionals.